In this video I show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase Beginners. Click on this buy button and look up XRP. Click on XRP and here you'll need to choose how much money you want to put in XRP. So for me it's euro, for you it might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is, choose the amount you want to put in. So let's say I want to buy 100 euros of XRP. I'll type 100 and it will tell me that I'll get 48 XRP. You can also choose a specific amount of XRP you want to buy. So to do so, click on XRP, the amount of XRP, and it will toggle to cryptocurrency. So let's say I want to buy exactly 50 XRP. I'll type 50 here. And it will tell me that I'll spend 102.78 euros. So next is how you want to pay for it. We'll click on this, and here you can choose to pay with your money wallet, so your cash wallet. For me it's euro, for you again might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is. This is the method with the lowest fees, and of course for this one you need to have money deposited in your cash account. If you don't know how to deposit money on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. Or you can also choose to pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. But this method has higher fees. So however you want to pay for it, choose your preferred method and click on review order. Here you will see a summary of your order and click on buy now. So once everything is done, you'll see your XRP here in my assets and then crypto.